Compact laundry is 24 inches in width and 24 inches in depth, the exact dimensions as a standard kitchen cabinet, and can fit in most cabinets and closets, and is technically the best laundry you can buy for features despite its smaller size. Let's get started. The WXR 860 WCS and TXR 860 WP are the best set of compact laundry and probably the most sophisticated appliances you can buy. These models have a setting for every type of clothing with 25 different cycles. The unique honeycomb drum design helps your delicate clothes float in the water and avoid rubbing against the sides during the wash, so you can wash silks and other fine washables. Miele is the only compact washer with a caplet dispenser. You can buy your own, or you can buy one of Miele's special application caplets. Their twin-dose automatic dispenser is unique as well. Using the app, you can load up to 40 washes in the dispenser and check how much is left in your phone. The machine will calculate the number of clothes in the drum and dispense the optimum amount of detergent and bleach versus just detergent for every other full-size brand. Many full-size brands do have auto dispensers. It'll stop you from putting in too much bleach and detergent. However, you have to buy the cartridges from Miele only, unlike the full-size brands. The washer also features steam to loosen and power out tough stains like red wine and grass. The spin speed is fast at 1600 RPM. Average spin speed on a front-load washer is 1200 RPM. A faster spin speed will wring the clothes of excess water for shorter drying times in the dryer. The intense wash cycle brings the water from top and bottom for maximum saturation clothes and an even distribution of detergent and bleach. Miele's dryer is a 120-volt heat pump with steam cycle and mineral sensor. Miele was the first to use this technology, as every other compact dryer uses 240-volt. You can also add fragrance to your clothes with Miele's unique fragrance feature, the Fragrance Dose Dispenser. It is the most expensive at $48.99. If you want Miele's functionality and base cycles like a honeycomb drum, buy their basic set at $28.99. Bosch, like Miele, is another German company. They're the most popular suppliers of compact laundry, especially on large projects, and they're all new this year with a full heat pump dryer line and new LED controls. The machines are built solidly, offer better sound insulation, and are reliable for service and parts. Bosch Compact Laundry is the most compact laundry brand with just a 5.7 service rate in the first year, compared to 7.4 for compact washers overall, 9.5 for appliances in general. The 500 series offers 14 programs and 9 options. Their new 4D wash system more evenly distributes detergent over the clothes, and the RPM spin has been ramped up to 1600 RPM. Bosch is the only manufacturer with speed cycles in the washer and dryer at 15 minutes each for small loads. As we said, Bosch is 240-volt for the dryer. It has the advantage of being self-cleaning, as the water from the evaporator cleans the filter. So you don't have to clean like you would from Miele or any other compact heat pump dryer manufacturer. Aside from the self-cleaning filter on the dryer, you don't have the same features as the Miele, even at the same price, and you have to add the water for the steam cycle in the washer. Almost every compact dryer is now a ventless heat pump because most failed the UL test of keeping a fire contained in the drum years ago. So GE is your best option if you have an existing vent in a compact washer and dryer. GE has the standard 14 cycles and 9 options of the washer, along with steam functionality. Dryer's 13 cycles. You have to remember, vented uses the air in your room, heats it with elements, and is constantly venting it to the outside. So it costs you $150 to $200 more in electricity than a heat pump dryer. And at this price of $18.98 for the set, you buy a great set of full-size vented laundry with bigger capacity and still have over $700 left over at least. So if you have the space, buy a full-size set. Now let's look at the new compact laundry set derived from one of the most popular products ever. By the way, if you find this information helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you. The Wash Tower was incredibly popular when launched in 2020. Controls in the middle make it more accessible than stacking a dryer on a washer. Best feature to any LG laundry is reliability based on 37,000 service calls logged by our service team just last year. This is the first set of compact laundry we've carried from LG, so we'll see how they compare to the Bosch in the next year. For product features, controls aside, you have their Turbo 360 using high pressure hoses to shorten wash times to 30 minutes. There are also plenty of cycles and options as well in both the washer and dryer. You can add more in LG's ThinQ app. There is one problem with the wash tower. Its width is 24 inches like the others, but the depth is 26 inches. You need 4 inches in extra depth or 30 inches in total. That's pretty deep. I would check your space before buying. Before you go, you should know there is another class of space-saving washers and dryers, the new combos from Profile, LG, and Samsung, which allow you to place your clothes in one machine dirty and have them come out clean and dry. However, although you lose the space for the dryer, the washers are at least 3 inches wider than the 24 inches of traditional compact washers and dryers. These are totally different machines with their own video I suggest you watch before buying. Thanks for watching.